Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scribe Me Quick Designs, and I have something fun to share with you today. Yep, I'm doing a giveaway with Creative Fabrica. Yes, a giveaway. Creative Fabrica is one of my favorite online resources for getting more files and fonts to use with my Cricut machine. I recommend them totally. I totally trust their site. It's very easy to use. Everything I've ever gotten from there has been wonderful. Okay, so they have thousands, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands. I think they even say millions, but I haven't counted them, of SVG files, fonts, sublimation files, printables, all kinds of things that you can use with your Cricut machine. They are doing a special promotion right now, and part of this giveaway is to talk to you about the special promotion. So the special promotion is their all access subscription, where you can download everything on their site for $1 for 30 days. Oh my gosh, you would actually own these images. This is not like the Cricut Access subscription where you're renting the image for the length of your subscription. This is, you will actually own the images that you download, okay, from their site or their fonts or whatever it is you download, the printables or whatever, okay? So they're running a special deal that I'm able to offer my subscribers right now, and that is their all access subscription for $1. Now, after the 30 days, after you've downloaded whatever you want, it does cost $19 a month, but that is still a really great deal. Plus you get the commercial licenses for the images. So if you are a Cricut business owner and you want to use the images to sell products, you can do that with their files, okay, and their fonts that you'd be able to have access to. As long as you cannot sell the actual file, right? But you can sell things that you make with the file. I just want to be clear about that. Now, the Cricut 360, let's just talk about this real quick. The one that I asked them to give is the one that I have and have been using, and it is the Cricut Bright 360, the floor lamp one, okay, the more expensive one. But it is so flexible. It's gonna look weird on camera, I know, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to move it into the position that you want to put in your craft area. And you can change the brightness, so it can be really bright. Some of us work in a darker room where we don't have a lot of overhead light or natural light, or we craft at night. So this is really great for that. Also, you can change the color temperature with this really easily. Let me see if I can move this over so you guys can see what I'm doing. There's a switch here. I have a whole video where I'm going to talk about the lamp, but I just wanted to show you what it is that you could win. This is what we're giving away. It's so easy to maneuver, put it exactly where you need it to go. I really wasn't sure I was going to really like the lamp, but I'm loving it, guys. And that's why I picked this to be the thing that we give away to one of our followers. Now, you want to know how to enter, I bet, right? I bet you do, because this is a $250 US value, and I want one of you to win. Now, this contest is open worldwide, so anybody can win this. And there's two different things that you're going to have to do. The first is, I would really love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, please, please. That's the thing that I'm asking you to do here. So if you don't already subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in the comment section under this video that you're watching here, leave a comment that says done once you've subscribed. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I love having you here. You can also just, go to comments and say done, that you did it, right? You entered the contest. So that's what I need you to do here. Now, Creative Fabrica is actually a sponsor of the contest. So they have asked that you go to their site, but they're giving you something for free. Yep, they're giving you something for free. We're going to go take a look at that. But in the description of this video, underneath the video, you'll need to click the down arrow. If you're not on your computer, you can click the down arrow to access the description. If you're on your computer, you just scroll down from where you're watching this video and you'll see the description for the video. In that description, there is a link to the Be Happy SVG over at Creative Fabrica, and that is a free file that they're giving to you. and you will download that file. I'm going to show you this here in a minute, but you'll download the file. You will leave a comment with the hashtag giveaway so that you're entered, because they're going to do the prize drawing over at Creative Fabrica to pick the winner. Okay, so that's how that's going to work. So that's how you're going to officially be entered, okay, for the contest. Now, this is open worldwide. The contest is running today, March the 16th through March the 22nd. So we have a week for people to enter. Now, I recommend while you're watching this video, go ahead and do this now so you don't forget, because I'd hate for you to miss out on trying to win a chance to get the Cricut Bright 360. Let's go take a look at, once you click the link in the description of this video, that's going to take you over to Creative Fabrica to download the file. Let me show you what you're going to do there. Okay, so we're over on the Creative Fabrica site now. Once you click the link in the description of the video that was to get the Be Happy free SVG file, it's going to take you to this page. Super easy, you go right there. Now, here is where you download it. Here where the green button is, it says free. You're going to click on that. Once you click the download button, it's going to download to your computer, okay? And if you want to go ahead and take advantage of the $1 all access subscription while you're over here, you would click this button and it will, you'll go through the process of setting that up. But before you leave this page, you need to go down. Once you've downloaded the free file, scroll down, and down here where it says write a review is where you need to make that comment and leave the hashtag giveaway. So let me show you. So you're going to hit the write a review. We're going to mark it as love it, right? And then I'm just going to say would be great for home decor project. Okay. And then I want to use hashtag giveaway. Oh, let me make sure I spell it right. Okay, so see what I did? I hit the review button. I wrote a would be great for home decor project hashtag giveaway, and then I'm going to hit submit. Okay, once I do that, you are officially entered for the giveaway from Creative Fabrica. They are providing the Cricut 360 to one lucky winner worldwide. Anybody can do this. So if you want to share my link from the video for other people to enter, that would be fine too. Now, while we're over here, let's just take a look. Creative Fabrica is one of my trusted sites, like I mentioned before. So I come over here all the time for getting SVG files to use with my Cricut. I download fonts from here, all kinds of things. So if we want to just look at, there's printables, there's coloring book pages, there's, just anything you could think of. There's product mock-ups for those of you that are running a business with your Cricut. There's all kinds of fonts, and they've got them broken down into, the different types of fonts. There's all kinds of craft projects, so where you're going to find the SVG files, so we can look at spring. And I'll just show you real quick. There's 608 projects right now that are just for spring in here that you could download. Look at these cute gnomes. Oh my gosh. And this, that bee and flower wreath is so pretty. That would look great on a project. Anyway, so you can see they have tons and tons of projects. I love their site because it's really easy to navigate. So when I want to just turn the page, I can just click on the next page and go on. Oh, there's another gnome. I know you guys know I love gnomes. Anyway, lots and lots of pretty things for all kinds of styles. So it's not super cutesy. There's lots of different things here for everybody. Anyway, so there's even embroidery files. There's all kinds of stuff up here for you guys to explore. If you have that $1 subscription, you could download as much as you want for 30 days, and then you can cancel if you need to. Okay, but for $19 a month, this is an awesome site to use. Okay, so you can see how easy it is over on the Creative Fabrica site for you to be able to download the file and leave your comment. Now, don't forget, if you want to go ahead and take action on that all access subscription for $1, go ahead and do that. If you miss the opportunity, you think about it later and you want to come back and do it, Down in the description of this video, I have a link just to go get the all access subscription. I appreciate you using my link if you're going to go do that. If you didn't do it while you were over downloading your file. Now, I bet you want to know, how are we going to announce the winner? Now, Creative Fabrica is picking the winner from all of you who followed the rule, and you downloaded the file and you left the review with the hashtag giveaway, right? That's how they're going to know that you were there and you're entered for the contest. So they're going to be picking the winner from the people who did that part. They're going to let me know who they picked, and on Friday, March the 25th, I will be announcing the winner here on my YouTube channel. Now, that file that you downloaded, that cute Be Happy SVG, we're going to make a project with that file, and I will be showing you on March the 25th how to make the project using that image that you downloaded and announce the winner that day. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions about this. Down below the video is the description. That is where the link is to enter the contest. Make sure you go and follow the rules so that you are entered to win. I'm so excited to have you here. Thank you if you're just joining me for the first time. Thank you to all my loyal followers who love to watch my Cricut and craft tutorial videos. I really love having you here. And I cannot wait to see who wins the Cricut Bright 360 floor lamp for your very own.